Welcome back to Real Life Finance Simplified, where we break down money matters in a way that actually makes sense. Did you know that filling out your W-4 incorrectly could mean owing money at tax time or getting too little in your paycheck? Today, I'll show you how to adjust your tax withholding on your W-4 so you can choose the right number of allowances, avoid underpaying and owing the IRS, and avoid overpaying and giving the government an interest-free loan. Stick around, because I'll walk you through it step by step. First, let's talk about what a W-4 form actually is. Your W-4 tells your employer how much federal income tax to withhold from your paycheck. If you withhold too much, you get a big refund at tax time, but that means you gave the government an interest-free loan all year. If you withhold too little, you'll have a bigger paycheck now, but you might owe taxes, plus penalties, when you file. Pro tip: adjusting your W-4 can help you get the right balance, so you're not surprised at tax time. Now let's go step by step on how to fill out your W-4 the right way. Step 1. Fill in your personal information. Your name, social security number, and filing status, like single, married, etc. Your filing status matters. Single filers usually need more withheld than married filers. Step 2. Account for multiple jobs or spouse's income if applicable. If you have more than one job, use the IRS tax withholding estimator to calculate the right amount. If you're married and both of you work, check the box in Step 2C, so your employer withholds correctly. Step 3. Claim dependents, if you qualify. If you have kids under 17, you might qualify for a child tax credit. The IRS gives $2,000 per child, but only $1,500 is refundable, so make sure you calculate correctly. Step 4. Adjust for extra withholding, optional. If you expect to owe taxes, you can ask your employer to withhold extra money per paycheck. If you want a bigger paycheck now, you can reduce your withholding, but be careful not to underpay. Pro tip: use the IRS withholding calculator online to make sure you're not overpaying or underpaying. Now let's talk about how to avoid tax surprises. 1. Avoid underpaying so you don't owe taxes. If you usually owe money at tax time, check your W-4. Increase your withholding in Step 4. See if you need more taken out. And if you freelance or have side gigs, consider making quarterly tax payments. 2. Avoid overpaying so you get more in your paycheck. If you always get a huge refund, it means you're overpaying every paycheck. Reduce your withholding in Step 4B to keep more of your money now. Pro tip: if your financial situation changes, new job, marriage, kids, update your W-4 as soon as possible to avoid tax surprises. You don't have to wait until tax season to fix your W-4. You should update it anytime your financial situation changes. Update your W-4 if you get married or divorced. You have a baby, congrats! You get a new job or pick up a side hustle. And if you owe money at tax time and want to fix it for next year. Pro tip: your employer won't automatically adjust your withholding. It's up to you to submit a new W-4 when needed. Alright, now you know how to adjust your W-4 correctly, so you don't get a tax bill or give away too much money. Here's your action plan. Check your W-4 withholding and update it if needed. Use the IRS tax withholding estimator to get it right. Adjust based on life changes like a new job or a baby. Question for you: have you ever been surprised by a big tax bill or refund? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more real-life finance tips. See you in the next video.